These pipe cleaner butterflies are just in time for summer. They're easy to make, so let me show you how. For this project, you will need 1 black, 2 purple, 2 yellow, and 1 pink pipe cleaners and fingernail clippers. Cut one of the yellow pipe cleaners in half. Bend one of the halves in half just so that you can find the middle of that piece. And then start coiling from one end, making a very tight coil, and roll it down to that center mark. Do the same thing on the other side. Now we're going to squeeze the circles down just into a little bit of an oval shape. Set that aside. Take the pink pipe cleaner and find the middle, and then do the same thing. Coil down each side till you get to that middle mark. Also flatten these coils out just a little bit to make ovals. And set those aside. Make a coil with each of the purple pipe cleaners and coil the whole thing. When you get to the end, to keep it from coming apart, you want to take the tail end, stick it in the outer coil, and just bend it down to keep it in place. Do the same thing with the other purple pipe cleaner. And squeeze each circle into a slight oval shape. With the last full yellow pipe cleaner, do the same thing that you did with the pink piece. Find the middle, coil in the sides, and make them into oval shapes. Attach the 2 purple pieces by just twisting the ends together. Arrange the wings so that the little gap is right in the middle. You're going to have to mess with the coils a little bit to make that work, so they're evenly spaced. And set the yellow part on top, doing the same thing. Take your black pipe cleaner, fold it in half, and give the end, about the last inch of it, just a few loose twists. And then thread it underneath the wings. And give it a couple twists at the top of the top wings to keep everything in place. You can adjust the wings again to make sure everything's in the right spot. Now take each of the sides of the black and wrap it around twice, and then take the other one in the opposite direction. Wrap it around a couple of times, and what we're doing with this is just creating a little head. And then you're going to turn down the top of those antennae in a coil, just maybe 2 times. And you're finished. Please subscribe to my channel for more pipe cleaner and other craft ideas. There's new ideas every week, so you don't want to miss one.